Rise up, me brother, rise up, me queen. Sunlight paint the hills in gold and green. Me wrap me crown, me soul feel clean. Jah love flowing in the roots man stream. No need for riches or big car scene. Me carry truth like ital cuisine. Me chalice bun with sacred flame. Every puff call out Jah name. Sacred smoke and sunshine glow. Reggae rhythm make I flow. No more worry, no more fight. Only love in the morning light. Meditation on a mountain high. With ganja cloud and open sky. Zion echoes a sound divine. Blessed be the urban time. Me walk barefoot through ancient sand. Wisdom carved in the lines of me hand. Each step a chant, each breath a prayer. Me no lost, Jah always there. From hills of Jamaica to African shore. Reggae carry story from root to core. Me no need approval, me no need fame. Me rhythm, me fire, me sacred flame. Light it up, let it rise. Mystic smoke, reach the skies. Third eye open wide and true. See the world in Irie hue. Babylon tried distract me view, but me focus on the real and new. One spliff, one rhythm, one soul fire. We chant till we lift higher and higher. Sacred smoke and sunshine glow. Reggae rhythm make I flow. No more worry, no more fight. Only love in the morning light. Babylon try distract me with you, but me focus on the real and new. One spliff, one rhythm, one soul fire. We chant till we lift higher and higher. na na. Cali cushion in the morning, yeah man. Early morning light kiss the hills, smoke rising slow, just spirit it fills. I wrap me dread in sacred thought, one love, one heart, everything taught. Roots deep in a mother earth, meditation, bring the soul rebirth. From the chalice me sip, wisdom wine, through herbs and rhythm I realign. Journey through smoke and sky, we see clear in a mystic vibration. Jah message we draw near. This a roots man meditation. In a firelight we chant strong. From Kingston to Zion Nation, we trod the righteous song. Chanting mantras under the stars, beats like heartbeat, healing scars. Every drum a ancient prayer, Rasta walk with no despair. We no need no vanity crown, only ganja, steam and solid ground. Me people rise from Babylon dust, in ital food and sacred trust. Breathing deep, the herb is life. Cut through the tension, slice the strife. No gold chain can buy this peace. Only Jah love make war cease. Irie breeze blow through me soul, guiding me spirit to its goal. No clock, no rush, just sacred flow, where the chalice lights start to glow. This a lion heart journey, through smoke and sky we see clear. In a misty vibration, Jah message we draw near. It's a roots man meditation. In a firelight we chant strong. From Kingston to Zion Nation, we trod the righteous song. In the dance hall of creation, every step a revelation. Miss Yankin freedom, praise the King. Rhythm of life, hear it ring. No false prophet hold me faith, only truth me cultivate. In the bush me build me peace, let Babylon noise decrease. So light up the night, let the fire blaze. Ganja smoke rising, Yahweh praise. Every inhale a sacred rite, blessed by moon and morning light. We not seek war, we chant for grace. With roots reggae, we find our place. So follow the path, lion and free, to the highest heights of unity. Lion heart, lion fire, we chant higher and higher. No more fear, no more pain, just reggae love like healing rain. Lion heart, lion way, Rasta walking light today. Roots deep, soul fly, Zion echoes reach the sky. One Nazarene. Ganja smoke, yeah man. Early na the morning, me rise with Jah sun. Bird them a sing and me journey begun. Me stretch out me soul like a tree to the sky. Breathe in the blessing, let troubles pass by. Me grab a chalice from me side. Give thanks for the journey, no need for hide. Me step outside pan sacred earth. Every step me take, me remember words. Roots of the morning light, guide me soul through the darkest night. Herb inna me palm, chanting inna me breath. Meditation protect me from death. Me nah rush time, me let it be. Me life in tune with the olive tree. Sunrise a speak in golden tone. Me heart a drum, me spirit groan. River nearby whisper truth to me. Wash off illusion, let me be free. Me see the butterfly flutter and glow. Even in silence creation show. Me burn the herb with no shame at all. It lift me up, it never let me fall. Me eye them clear like spring water stream. Me hold me vision, me live me dream. Oh, Jah bless this blessed breeze. Carry me soul through the forest trees. No worry, no fight, just harmony. Me dance pan rhythm like melody. Every leaf a message, every root a guide. Me overstand the signs nature provide. Me sit, me reason with elders deep. Wisdom planted where silence sleep. Roots of the morning light, shine pon me dreadlocks, make them bright. With smoke and prayer, me elevate. No Babylon clock can dictate me fate. Me move with love, me act with grace. Me see Jah presence in every face. From sunrise to when stars ignite. Me walk with roots of the morning light. Toast to the hills, toast to the sea. Me life is a poem, me soul is free. Toast to me queen and the fruit she bear. Me live for love, me always care. Me eat idle, me speak clean. Me live upright, me keep it green. Meditate on a rock, no phone, no net. The wisdom come when the mind resets. Roots of light in a everyday. Me follow Jah, me nah go stray. So if you wake and feel confused, just find a tree and sit and muse. Let the herb lift you beyond the noise. Let the silence become your voice. Jah loving all, me hold it tight. Forever walk with roots of light. Yes, Zion lion in a jungle. Me wake up to the sound of breeze. Birds a sing and me heart a tease. She beside me, wrapped in sheet. Sunlight kiss, her skin so sweet. Me roll a spliff, me give her half. We laugh and float in herbal path. No stress, no fight, just pure align. Me feel your love in she and time. Herbs and harmony guide we flow. Inna this life we move real slow. Ganja burn, mind get free. One heart, one soul, you and me. Herbs and harmony, deep like sea. Roots connection eternally. Every draw, a sacred breath. We live in love, we not fear death. Me not chase Babylon illusion. Me find joy in natural fusion. Me queen dance with breeze and fire. She lift me up, she take me higher. She plant the herbs, me sing this song. Together we build where we belong. Coconut juice, hammock swing. Bird them chant and love them bring. Under moonlight me see her glow. She move like river, pure and slow. Incense burn, meditation start. She read me soul like sacred art. No judge, no mask, no pretense. Just honest vibes in her presence. When
calm my mind. With one soft word, me realign. Herbs and harmony, sweet and true. Jah provide the love in you. Me no need no gold, no fame. Me call her love, but her soul got name. Herbs and harmony, balance light. We hold each other through the night. Storm may come, system may test, but we hold firm and still feel blessed. Me reason with me queen both life. She say me nah born just fi be wife. Me warrior too, me spirit free. Me hold the earth in a me tree. She teach me how fi blend the root, how every plant and word is truth. She dance round fire, I so wise. Me see the universe in she eyes. So like the chalice, hold me hand. We walk together on sacred land. No rush, no race, just this one song. With herbs and harmony, we belong. Me whisper thanks to Jah above, for one like she, an endless love. We not just live, we elevate. Through herbs and harmony, we levitate.
Aye, aye, aye. Zion music bless the people, yeah man. Me step barefoot on the morning dew, with chalice in hand, me trod through. Mountain breeze whisper secrets all. Me heart beat steady, me soul feel bold. Each leaf a teacher, each tree a guide. Me walk with Jah right by me side. Me nah need map, me nah need plan. Jah light me way in this blessed land. Irie Trails where me spirit dance. Hype and herbs in a mystic trance. One Jah deep, me mind set free. Me live each moment like eternity. Me sit under fig tree, light me spliff. Give thanks for life, each sacred gift. Bird them chant, river flow sweet. Me chant psalms with ancient beat. No city nice, no digital screen. Me vision clear, me soul stay clean. Meditation roll like thunder cloud. Me thoughts come low, me chant out loud. And when Babylon call, me not hear. Me dwell in peace, far from fear. Me find me joy in the roots and stone. Me build me temple from herbs alone. Me gather herbs in a woven sack. Me carry wisdom upon me back. Each leaf a blessing, each draw divine. Me connect with Jah time after time. Irie Trails where me spirit dance. Hype and herbs in a mystic trance. One draw deep, me mind set free. Me live each moment like eternity. Me blaze for the youth, them lost in town, who never feel earth underfoot ground down. Me call them to hills, call them to light. Show them stars in a darkest night. Me share me fruits, me share me flame. One world, one blood, all the same. No ego, no hate, inna me gate. Just love and vibes, me meditate. Yeah, me nah follow trend, me nah wear mask. Me nah chase likes, me nah do task. Me just chant truth like Rasta should. Me live in harmony, me life feel good. So if you seek peace, come trod with I. We'll blaze a spliff beneath the sky. No hurry, no worry, just pure bliss. Each step a prayer, each puff a kiss. Zion echoes echo far and wide. We bring the root where truth reside. One rhythm, one sound, one eternal flame. And Jah know I never walk in vain. Le 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 le.
yo, kaya smoke ya man. Me rise with the sun, me not snooze. Open up me window, feel the truth. Steam chalice burning slow. Ancient fire, let the blessings flow. Me not in a rush, this a sacred time. Before Babylon invade me mind. Me light the herb, me say a prayer. Me spirit cleansing a morning air. Me no need no gold, no fame. Me find the riches in Jah name. Me heart calm like river run. Me joy rise with the morning sun. Sacred smoke rise high. Carry me chance into the sky. Me no fear no shadows deep. Jah protect me in me sleep. We roll up wisdom, inhale grace. Find serenity in this space. Sacred smoke and morning light, guiding me soul through day and night. Me walk barefoot on red dirt trail. Me ears hear bird, me heart excel. Me see the children laugh and run. Them no yet lost to machine and gun. Me whole a reasoning with me brethren true. Talk about life and what we been through. Them say love is weak, me say them lie. It take real strength fi stand and try. Me no need no filter on this face. Rasta live raw, me know me place. One pot cook fi the whole crew. Real life sweet like ital stew. Me live slow, me think deep. Me not drown in promises we can't keep. The herb open door to eyesight wide. Show I Jah presence deep inside. Me no smoke just forget I. Me smoke for reason with the most high. Every puff a meditation, every breath a prayer. Me connect with spirit in the open air. Sacred smoke rise high. Carry the blessings from the sky. Me nah need no artificial light. Just shine for me every night. We roll up roots, inhale peace from stress and worry. Me release sacred smoke and morning light. A Rasta's guide me soul ignite. Me build me space with love and care. No plastic life, just vibes rare. Me family gather round every fire. No more wage, no boss, no liar. Me see too much people chase empty things. Phone in a hand but soul can't sing. Me say slow down, take back your time. Plant your food and build your shrine. Me chant psalms pan mountain top. Me not care if the city stop. Me spirit fly where eagles dwell. Me soul not trapped in digital hell. So come sit under this tree. Light one up and reason with me. This life not easy, but it's divine. With sacred smoke and Jah a sign. Bada boom, bada boom. Rasta cushion at the area, man. Me wake on the hillside, dew still fresh. Me sip the herbal tea, no worry, no stress. In a hammock swing, between the trees. Me feel the breeze, me heart find peace. The drum beat a call from ancient ground. Me close me eye and listen to the sound. Birds sing melodies in a natural scale. Me journey begin on a holy trail. Ganja smoke rise in a spiral high. Me spirit float on the bluest sky. Meditation deep, me nah need clock. Me grounded like tree, me firm like rock. Me gather me herbs from the forest way. Blessed by the sun, them shine each day. I tell soup in a clay pot boil. coconut, yam and sweet olive oil. Me chant Jah Rastafari with soul. Me not chase riches, me not seek gold. Me wealth of peace, me wealth of time. Me soul align like ancient rhyme. Me reason with me brethren pon the porch. Smoke the chalice and the full moon torch. Them Babylon light can't blind me sight. Me vision clear in a starry night. Me see future bright like Zion gate. No yet, just love me now wait. Me walk slow, me talk true. Me live each day like me born anew. Ganja smoke rise in a spiral high. Me spirit float on the bluest sky. Meditation deep, me nah need clock. Me grounded like tree, me firm like rock. Me sing for the elders, me sing for the youth. Me sing roots rhythm, me sing the truth. No TV lies, no media fog. Me write me story like log upon log. Me blaze up the chalice in a ceremony. One love, one heart, no enemy. Each draw bring vision, each breath bring grace. Me trod in a Rasta time, sacred place, yeah. Herbs and harmony guide me path. Me chant wisdom like ancient craft. No fear in me bones, just sound. Reggae run like river underground. So me say to the world, slow down, just be. Sit on stone and watch the tree. Inhale love, exhale pain. Let your vibes fall like blessed rain. Me share me joy with rhythm and tone. Zion echoes, we stand alone. In a unity, in a roots delight. Me blaze for peace every day and night till the night. Zion roots. Me born free, me born a warrior. Them try to hold me down, but me rise superior. Them build the chains, them build the cage, but me spirit free, me can't be a slave. Me feel the pressure, me feel the strain, but Jaja guide me, me rise again. Them try to break me, them try to bend, but the strength of Jah, it will never end. Me rise from the ashes, me rise from the dose. Me trust in Jah, me trust in the Joes. No chain can hold I, me break the mold. Me walk in truth, me walk in bold. No chains can hold I, me rise above. Me walk with Jah, me walk in love. Me stand for freedom, me stand for right. No chains can hold I, me see the light. No chains can hold I, me spread me wings. Me rise like the eagle, me feel the kings. Them try to bind me, them try to break, but me rise for Jah's sake. Them try to lock me up, try to silence me voice, but me speak the truth, me make the choice. The power of Jah, it deep in me soul. Me no need no chains, me no need no control. Me see the walls, them try to build, but the love of Jah can't be killed. Me rise like a lion, me stand so tall. The chains them fall, me break them all. Me see the chains are breaking apart. Me walk with courage, me walk with heart. No matter the struggle, no matter the fight, me know the truth, me know the right. No chains can hold I, me rise above. Me walk with Jah, me walk in love. Me stand for freedom, me stand for right. No chains can hold I, me see the light. No chains can hold I. Me spread me wings, me rise like the eagle. Me feel the kings. Them try fi bind me, them try fi break, but me rise for just sake. No chains can bind me free inside. Me walk with Jah, me walk with pride. The chains of Babylon, them cold and tight, but Jah power, it bring the light. Me feel the fire, me feel the heat. Me rise above, me can't be beat. Me break the chains, me break the mold. Me walk in truth, me walk so bold. Them want fi control, them want fi steal, but the power of Jah, it always real. Me free in a spirit, me free. Zion echoes, we are the warriors, born in the fire. Heart full of strength, soul full of desire. The road ain't easy, but we stand tall. Guided by Jah, we answer the call. Them fight the light, them try to block the way, but we rise above, we see the break of day. Me hear the voices of the people cry, but the warriors of the light, we never shy. Me feel the power in the wind and the sea, the strength of the earth, the roots of the tree. We fight for the truth, we fight for the right. We are the warriors, we stand for the light. Warriors of the light, we rise up strong. The power of Jah, it make we belong. No fear, no doubt, no turning back. Warriors of the light, we stay on track. Warriors of the light, we fight for the truth. We stand in the fire, we stand in the youth. Jah guide we through the storm and strife. We are the warriors, we live the life. Them try to put us in chains and in pain, but the warriors of the light, we break the chain. Me see the darkness, me see the fight, but me walk with Jah, me carry the light. We stand on the front lines, we lead the way. We rise from the ashes, we rise every day. The system crumble, but we hold the key. The warriors of the light, we born to be free. Me see the battle, me see the rage, but Jah power break the cage. Through the fire, through the storm, we stay true, we stay warm. Warriors of the light, we rise up strong. The power of Jah, it make we belong. No fear, no doubt, no turning back. Warriors of the light, we stay on track. Warriors of the light, we fight for the truth. We stand in the fire, we stand in the youth. Jah guide we through the storm and strife. We are the warriors, we live the life. Through the darkness we find our way. Warriors of the light, we rise today. Me see the power in the eyes of the youth. The warriors arise, we speak the truth. Them try to break we, them try to bind, but the warriors of the light, we free the mind. We fight for peace, we fight for love. We fight for the justice Jah speaks above. Me see the battle, me see the field, but the warriors of the light, we never yield. In the struggle we find.
Ay, 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 hasta Jamina di house. Yeah, man. Me sit on the peak, light up the herb, watch stars talk, them whisper word. Me soul remember, me been y'all before. Same mountain, same breeze, same lore. Me not fear death, me spirit roam. Every lifetime, me deal a home. Me seen the faces, me know them eyes. Japat and deeper than the skies. Rasta beyond the stars we fly. in a next life, me still a try. Reincarnate with
heart so pure. Me mission love, me chant secure. Smoke rise up, connect with space. Me third eye open, feel the grace. The cosmos dance when I sing truth. Me soul eternal, me fountain youth. Me remember Egypt, Zion land. Me hold a drum in ancient hand. Me chanting language long gone lost, but vibration never feel no cost. Me walk through fire, me bathe in sound. Each lifetime, deeper ground. Me queen in every plane me find. Her love rewrite me space and time. Stars align when me inhale. Me body light, me face go pale. Me float pan rhythm, me lose form. Me soul transform in just storm. Ancestors whisper, youth you rise. Remember light beyond disguise. Me levitate above confusion. See Babylon for its illusion. Rasta beyond the stars me live. In spirit realm me still a give. Smoke up herbs and chant with peace. Me mission never cease. Sound echo out in Milky Way. Me drop a dub, me start to pray. One with all, me break the chain. Me rise again, me feel no pain. Me light the chalice with stardust fire. In deep vibration me climb higher. No fear, no war, just sacred space. Me face Jah light with no disgrace. Me reason with me soul child deep. Me tell them don't just eat, go reap. Plant love, speak truth, keep heart warm. In any form me come fi transform. So me travel beyond time. In rhythm, herb and sacred rhyme. If me pass from this earth plane, know me spirit rise again. Rasta beyond the stars aflame. We come again in different name. So listen closely, smoke and stare. Me still there in every prayer.
Zion Roots.
The roots run deep in the soil of the earth. Me feel the power, me feel the worth. From the ghetto to the hills, the struggle are real. But the roots of revolution, me know the deal. Them try to silence the truth, them try to blind. But Jaja light a guide the mind. The youth arise, the time is near. The revolution a start, me have no fear. Inna the streets, me hear the sound. The drums a beat, me feel the ground. Me know the time is now, me know the way. The roots of revolution, it start today. Roots of revolution, rise up strong. Me hear the call, me hear the song. Inna the struggle, we stand so tall. The roots of revolution, we answer the call. Roots of revolution, the time is right. We fight for peace, we fight for light. No chains can bind, no lies can blind. The roots of revolution, me open me mind. Me see the system crumble, me see the fall. But the roots of revolution will answer the call. Me hear the cries, me feel the pain. But the people arise, they'll never be in vain. We fight for justice, we fight for right. We stand together, we unite the light. The walls them fall, the chains them break. In the roots of revolution, we awake. Me see the youth them marching strong. Me hear the beat, me feel the song. Inna the struggle, me feel the fire. The roots of revolution taking us higher. Roots of revolution rise up strong. Me hear the call, me hear the song. Inna the struggle, we stand so tall. The roots of revolution, we answer the call. Roots of revolution, the time is right. We fight for peace, we fight for light. No chains can bind, no lies can blind. The roots of revolution, me open me mind. The youth them rise, the fire burn. The truth has spread, it will return. No more silence, no more fear. The roots of revolution, we draw it near. Me feel the power, me feel the flame. We rise in Jah name, we break the chain. In the streets, me hear the cry. Roots of revolution, we won't deny. In the battle, we find our strength. The roots of revolution, go the length. We march together, hand in hand. Zion echoes. Hear the sound, it a call from the deep. A call for the people, wake from the sleep. No more chains, no more fear. The time for freedom, it's crystal clear. From the valleys to the mountain high, we rise as one, no need to ask why. Babylon's lies, we no longer heed. Freedom a calling, it's time for the deed. The struggle so long, but now we see the path to freedom, we walk it free. No more silence, no more pain. We stand together, we break the chain. Freedom call, we rise up strong. In the rhythm of the heart, we sing this song. Through the struggles, through the strife, we fight for freedom, we fight for life. Freedom call, it echo loud. We rise together, we stand for the proud. No more Babylon, no more lies. Freedom a calling, it reached the skies. In the streets, me feel the vibe. Our revolution, we start the rise. The time for justice, the time for peace, the time for freedom, it will never cease. Me see the youth, them full of hope. We climb the mountain, we rise the scope. The chains are fall, the walls are break. Freedom a calling, we no longer fake. We march together, side by side. In the strength of Jah, we find our guide. Through the darkness, we find the light. Freedom calling, we rise up right. Freedom call, we rise up strong. In the rhythm of the heart, we sing this song. Through the struggles, through the strife, we fight for freedom, we fight for life. Freedom call, it echo loud. We rise together, we stand for the proud. No more Babylon, no more lies. Freedom a calling, it reached the skies. Me hear the voices of the ancestors cry. Freedom a calling, we no longer shy. From the past, we learn the truth. Now we stand for the power of the youth. Me feel the power in the rhythm and the sound. Freedom a calling, it's all around. No more chains, no more restraint. Freedom a calling, we break the taint. Jaja lead we, Jaja guide. Freedom a calling, we no longer hide. The walls are crumble, the system fall. We rise together, one and all. Through the fire, through the pain, we stand in unity, we break the chain. Zion roads, Zion roads. In the concrete jungle, we hustle and fight. Babylon system try to keep us in the night. The streets full of pain, but me heart full of fire. The world full of dreams, but the struggle get higher. Them take the youth, them try to break the soul, but Jaja spirit still guide me all. The walls them closing, the chains them tight, but Jah light a shine bright through the darkest night. Me see me brothers, see me sisters fall. The system make them crawl, but me hear the call. We stand tall, we never bow down. Babylon try to lock we, but we still wear the crown. In the concrete jungle we cry, we rise. We see the truth behind the lies. We break the chains, we free the mind. Jah power, we never blind. Concrete jungle cry, the battle is real, but Jah love, it's all we feel. The wicked may rise, but we stand firm. In the jungle, we break the norm. The road is hard, the journey long, but Jah keep me heart so strong. The struggle real, but me never run. Me rise like the morning sun. Them take the gold, them take the land, but the truth of it, the people, the righteous hand. The power in the system, them try to control, but the spirit of Zion still a guide me soul. Me see the youth, them lost in the trap. The system feed them lies and them fall in the gap. But me voice aloud, me chant the truth. The time for justice, the time for the youth. In the concrete jungle we cry, we rise. We see the truth behind the lies. We break the chains, we free the mind. Jah power, we never blind. Concrete jungle cry, the battle is real, but Jah love, it's all we feel. The wicked may rise, but we stand firm. In the jungle, we break the norm. Me hear the cries of the people in the streets. They fight for survival, the struggle repeats, but Jah hand, it guide we through. Me know the truth, me know the view. No more war, no more hate. We rise together, we shift the fate. The youth awake, the fire a burn. Zion rise, it's our turn. Me see the way, me see the light. Me fight the struggle, me stand for right. Them build the walls, them make the cage, but Jah spirit free the rage. Let's put it. Zion roots. We are the warriors of the ancient fire, born from the earth with Jah's desire. The flame it burn deep in the soul. We carry the truth, we make the people whole. In the battle, we rise so bold. In Jah's name, we break the mold. The fire a burn, the spirit arise. Warriors of the ancient fire, we claim the skies. Me see the elders, them tell the story of the strength, of the glory. We fight for justice, we fight for the right. Warriors of the ancient fire, we walk the light. Warriors of the ancient fire, we stand so strong. With Jah's love, we carry the song. Through the darkness, we find a way. Warriors of the ancient fire, we rise today. Warriors of the ancient fire, the time is now. We fight for the truth, we fight for the vow. No fear, no chains, no Babylon lies. Warriors of the ancient fire, we reach the skies. The fire a burn, we feel the heat. Warriors of the ancient fire, we no retreat. The road a hard, the journey long, but we stay strong, we carry the song. We feel the spirit of the ancestors rise. In the fire, the strength and lies. We stand firm, we stand true. Warriors of the ancient fire, we pass the view. Me see the light, me see the flame. Warriors of the ancient fire, we call the name. Through the storm, through the rain, we rise above the wicked pain. Warriors of the ancient fire, we stand so strong. With Jah's love, we carry the song. Through the darkness, we find a way. Warriors of the ancient fire, we rise today. Warriors of the ancient fire, the time is now. We fight for the truth, we fight for the vow. No fear, no chains, no Babylon lies. Warriors of the ancient fire, we reach the skies. We see the fire burning bright. Warriors of the ancient fire, we ignite the night. From the mountain cry. Youth them arise, them asking why. The system lock we, them keep we down. But we rise like kings, we wear the crown. From the corner, from the streets, me see the fire, feel the heat. Them push we hard, them try to break. But in the ghetto, we create the shake. Me see the youth, them full of fire, full of dreams, full of desire. Babylon try to hold them back, but the fire burn, me see the track. Uprising in the ghetto, me feel the heat. The people arise, no more defeat. Them try to stop we, but we stand tall. In the ghetto, we break the wall. Uprising in the ghetto, the struggle is real. But me know the power, Jaja can heal. The youth them rise, them know the truth. In the ghetto, we claim the youth. Me see the struggle, me see the pain. Me see the youth, them walk in the rain. Them put up the walls, them try to divide. But the people arise, we never hide. In the ghetto, we fight for the right. We chant the truth, we shine the light. Me see the future, me see the hope. Me see the youth, I break the rope. Them want feel like we in a cage, but Jaja power make we rage. Me see the fire, the flames are burn. In the ghetto, the people learn. Uprising in the ghetto, me feel the heat. The people arise, no more defeat. Them try to stop we, but we stand tall. In the ghetto, we break the wall. Uprising in the ghetto, the struggle is real. But me know the power, Jaja can heal. The youth them rise, them know the truth. In the ghetto, we claim the youth. Me hear the cries, me hear the sound. Me hear the drums, me feel the groan. The people arise, the fire burn. In the ghetto, it's the people's turn. No more fear, no more pain. In the ghetto, we fight the chain. Me see the warriors, me see the kings. In the ghetto, we spread the wings. Me know the struggle, me know the fight. But Jaja spirit make we bright. In the ghetto, we strong, we bold. We break the... Them try to buy the truth, but it can't be sold. The lies them spread, they make the world cold. Me see the people, me see them fight. But Jaja light, I burn so bright. Them sell out the truth, them buy the lies. But the people wake, them open them eyes. The system corrupt, the leaders fail. But the truth arise, it never frail. The rich man laugh, but the poor man cry. Them fill the pockets while the children die. Them take the land, them take the soul. But Jaja truth, I still the goal. Can't be bought, me say it loud. Me rise above the wicked crowd. Babylon fall, the truth stand tall. Jaja light, shine over all. Truth can't be bought, no silver, no gold. The righteous are free, the story untold. Me walk in truth, me never fear. Jaja love, I always near. Oh oh, them push the fear, they make we blind. But the truth are steady, it free the mind. Them lock we out, but Jaja I'm. We break the chains, we rise again. Me see the lies, me see the plot. But me heart full of fire, me can't be bought. The people cry, the youth them fall. But the truth arise, it answer the call. The media twist, them twist the sound. But the truth still echo, it's all around. No matter how, them try to hide. The truth come true, can't be denied. Can't be bought, me say it loud. Me rise above the wicked crowd. Babylon fall, the truth stand tall. Jaja light, shine over all. Truth can't be bought, no silver, no gold. The righteous are free, the story untold. Me walk in truth, me never fear. Jaja love, I always near. Whoa, me hear the cry, me hear the call. Jaja truth, I stand for y'all. Me feel the pressure, me feel the strain, but me walk in truth, me not complain. Babylon twist, Babylon try, but the truth arise. The wicked can't hide, the power of Jah, it never fade. The truth of the sword, the wicked afraid. Me see the system, the lies them deep, but me stay grounded, me never sleep. Me walk with love, me walk with pride. Me stand with truth, me never hide. The youth arise, the fire burn. Me know the truth, me can't return. Them sell out the world, them take the peace, but Zion rules. In the night when the world feel cold, Jaja light a shine, make me heart bold. Them try fi dark the way fi lead we astray, but the light of Jah show we the way. Me walk in the valley, but me fear no evil. Jah light a guide me, it pure and lethal. Them put up the walls and try fi trap me in, but the truth of Jah, it will never dim. Me see the struggle, me feel the pain, but me trust in Jah through the storm and rain. The wicked are fight, but we rise above. The light of Jah is pure love. Jah light over darkness, me say the truth. The wicked are fade, me rise in the youth. Through the storm, me walk in the fire. Jah light, it take me higher. Jah light over darkness, me never stray. Me walk in the truth, me light the way. No matter the battle, no matter the fight, me know me safe in Jaja light. The system I try to pull we down, but we hold firm, we never drown. The truth of Jah, it shines so bright. We walk with love, we fight the fight. Them try to break we, but we still stand tall. In Jaja light, we conquer the fall. Me see the youth, me see them rise. In the light of Jah, we claim the prize. Them fill the air with lies and confusion, but Jaja light bring the right conclusion. Through the darkness, we find the way. In Jah light, we rise each day. Jah light over darkness, me say the truth. The wicked are fade, me rise in the youth. Through the storm, me walk in the fire. Jaja light, it take me higher. Jah light over darkness, me never stray. Me walk in the truth, me light the way. No matter the battle, no matter the fight, me know me safe in Jaja light. Oh, the light shine bright, me feel it deep. Jaja love awake me from me sleep. Me see the world, me see the pain, but Jaja light will cleanse the stain. No more hate, no more lies. Jaja light, it open the skies. Me feel the power, me feel the heat. In Jah light, me life complete. Jaja light, it never fail. Through the storms, it will.
Zion roots, yo Jaja guide me, light up the fire, smoke up the herb, make the vibes go higher. This a real reggae session, no liar. We bring the truth, we no deal with vampire. Early in the morning, sun a rise high. Me roll up the spliff, give thanks to the sky. One love, one heart, me not tell no lie. Reggae in me soul, me can't deny. Them a fight ganja, but them love the money. System corrupt.
Jah we